So do we have a Miami Blue 991 Turbo S with Aerokit and also Porsche exclusive rims. Or is it even Techart? Oh, it's Techart, yes. Somebody signed it. I don't know who, but okay, they went to Techart with it as well. So I don't really know if this is my choice, and if I would have a Aerokit 2, I would have it in body color, not black. And maybe I should also have it in yeah, I should have it in stock form. Maybe my pants are matching it. See? No? Where are my pants? What the hell? Anyway. Techart 991. Oh, wow. And over here we have a real Porsche 918 Spyder. That's nice. Electric mode, of course. From Berlin. Very nice. Electric. Carbon fiber from Berlin. Which is the number? Could it be Marks? Anyway, looking at the 991 Turbo S and a 918 shows up. That's nice. And over here we have the Chiron.